Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a content in WordPress with Thrive Architect and build an awesome landing page with this Thrive Architect plugin for WordPress. Okay, so here I'm logged into my account of WordPress on my website, and first of all I would like to create a new page. So I go here, pages, and add a new page. In this page I want to create a landing page about motivational quotes in pictures. Okay, so I have here a folder with my pictures with motivational quotes in Romanian language. Okay, created by me, and I want to insert this kind of pictures into my blog, into a new page on my blog. Okay, so I would like to show you how you can do that easily with Thrive Architect plugin, and how you can use this feature to build an awesome landing page on WordPress. So as you can see, my website is this one. I will show you here. This is my blog. It's about motivational and self-development articles and books recommendations. Okay, so here I have some good stuff about evolving yourself and be a better version of you. So here I have the blog section where I post almost daily articles about self-development, as you can see, and I want to create, as I said before, a new page with motivational pictures quotes. Okay, and I will insert it here. So for that I created a new page. I will give here a title, so I will call it in Romanian okay, so now, as you know, if you are familiar with WordPress editor, and if you have a blog or a website and you use WordPress, in order to create content you have to use this editor, classic editor, which is kind of silly because you don't have all the options and features to engage with your clients and to create awesome looking web pages. Okay, so that's the main reason why you have to install a service like Thrive Architect, which I have it here. So here I have all the tools from Thrive Architect. I have Thrive Team Builder, Thrive Architect for creating content in your WordPress blog, or Thrive Team Builder to create awesome landing pages and design your website. Okay, and a bunch of other options that I will not discuss in this tutorial. So now I have to show you how to create a new web page and insert those elements, media elements from here into your page. So you create a new page with motivational quotes or other stuff. In my case, this is a page about motivational pictures quotes. Okay, so if if you install this product, Thrive Team Builder or Thrive Builder All, which includes all the elements of Thrive, you will see here these options, Thrive Dashboard, and you have all the products here. And also, when you create a new page, you have this button here, Launch Thrive Architect. So I will click this one, in order to activate Thrive on my page, and I want to design a completely blank page. As I said before in a previous tutorial about Thrive Architect, I have showed you what are doing each of these options: normal page, blank page with header and footer, completely blank page, and pre-built landing page. So I will not go into further details in this video about every one of these. I will let you a link into this in the description of this video um, to that video tutorial where you can see more information about each of these options and what is all about. Okay, so for my example, I will select this completely blank page, which will give me an empty page without sidebars, without footer and header, and completely from scratch I will design this web page for motivational quotes. So as you can see here, I have these options: add a block, this option, or drag an element into the page. I have here in my right side these options which I can use, but now I will click on this plus sign which says add a block. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of options depending what I want to do in this page. So I have here articles, if I have to insert articles, or steps, or product highlight, okay, text content, if I want text, call to actions, lead generation, and so on. So here I have content blocks, all about content blocks if I want to use one of these, and here I have page blocks. Okay, also here I have show me all the blocks, which will show me all the available blocks from Thrive. What is the most beautiful part of this plugin for WordPress called Thrive Architect is that once you subscribe to this service, you will benefit for updates all your subscription lifetime. Okay, so if you have a subscription for 1 year, you will have all the updates in that package. Okay, all the new updates, you will benefit of them. Okay, so now I will exit this option, and I want to show you the exact strategy that I will use to create this page. So I will go here and select my one image. Okay, so I want to use one of these pictures from here. What I will show you now, it's a way to optimize and compress your images for WordPress. Okay, so your page will load smoothly and faster, and this will help you on your visitor experience on your site, will help you regarding SEO factors, okay, and ranking in Google. So as you know, maybe in order to have a quick website, fast website, okay, you need to have smaller images and optimized in order to load faster the page. So I will use two tools, okay, that I will show you here for optimizing pictures that I will upload on my WordPress website. First of all is Pick Resize. Okay, if I use Pick Resize, I will resize my pictures how I want it, okay, and make them smaller in order to be accessed faster, okay, on my website. So here I will go and select my pictures from this computer. Okay, not this one. I will select from here. So first picture is this. I will open it and continue to edit pictures. Okay, as you can see, my picture is cropped now on 50% smaller. If I will go here and show you how big is this picture, you can see that his size is 120 megabytes. This is very big. This is a very big picture for your website. And if you upload this picture on your WordPress in this format, on this size, you will have a very slow page, because if you have 2, 3 or more pictures like this, your page will be very low. Okay, and this will affect your SEO rankings, your Google rankings, your visitor experience on your website, and finally this will not be a good stuff for your business. Okay, you need fast website and good user experience on your pages. So we need to resize this kind of pictures and compress them, so we can keep as much as we can the quality of the image, but we have a smaller size. Okay, so what I will do now, I will resize these pictures, not this picture not on 50% but on 20% smaller. So I have a width of almost 700 and height of almost 590. Okay, so I will change the format in JPEG because it's better for WordPress to do that. And I will let here JPEG quality better. I can select good or best, but in my case it's okay with better quality. So now I will click this button here. I'm done resize my picture. Okay, so now from 1 megabyte, yes, file size, I have 126 kilobytes. It's much more reasonable, as you can see, much more smaller the picture, excuse me, and this will be better for your website. So now what I will do, I will save this to disk. So I will delete this resize part, and I will go here on my folder with this picture. Let me find it. It's here. So now I will save it here. Now the next step is to compress my image. After I resized it, I have to compress the image to be more faster on my website and smoother. I will use a free tool also, like this. This Big Resize is free of charge, is a free service. As you can see, Big Resize here. I will let in the description of this video all the links to these programs and websites I use to create this project, so you can see and use it on your own and benefit from this. So now I will go on the other service, which is called compress.jpg. Okay, this is a service that compresses your images. So I will write here compressjpeg.com, and now as you can see, I'm here and I will upload my picture, which is this one. Okay, I think this one is, let me see again, yes, this one is. So I will upload files, upload this image, open, and now it's compressing. What you can do more here is to go and click on these settings here, and as you can see, you can decrease the quality of the page from here. as you decrease the quality, your compressed size will be lower. Okay, so now if I increase it, I have much more size. If I decrease it, is lower. So what I would like to do is let the image on this 80 quality. It's better. You can see it here. It's not much difference between this original JPEG and this one. Remember, in my case, all that matters is to be clear the text on the image and to be a decent quality of the image. I am not interested to be the best quality of the image because my page is about motivational quotes and the visitor needs to read some motivational stuff, yes, not to see a very quality picture. It is not a website about photographies or pictures, yes, it's a website about self-development, so I don't need that kind of images. So in my case it's okay, 80 quality. I will apply this. As you can see here, it's compressing again, and now I have 26% compressed. It's okay. I will download this image. I will delete this min word from minimize, okay, and save it again. Replace that old picture. So do you want to replace it? Yes. So now I have my picture here. What I will do now is to upload this picture into my WordPress website. Okay. So I'm here. I am from this insert image. Click here, and now I'm going to upload files. Select files from my computer, and I have this file here. Okay. This PNG file, I will delete it. I don't need it anymore. So I will choose this JPEG file, open it, and now as you can see, it's very fast uploading. I will write down here on alternative text something about my page. Preferably here is to insert the keyword, the main keyword of your page. But in my case, for the sake of this tutorial, I will insert something else, okay? But you will insert the main, the focus keyword of your page here on alternative text. I will say something like motivational quotes, okay? And now you also have to complete the caption text. You can complete it with something which is related to your keyword of the page. And here the description also have to be completed with a field with some text, preferably again here must be a variation of your focus keyword of the page, okay? So in my case, motivational quotes, a variation about motivational quotes which include that focus keywords, okay? After you completed these boxes here, which is very important, you will have to insert into post. So now I have the picture here, but as you can see, it's very big. I don't want a picture that much big, okay? First of all, here I have the alternative text and I want to erase it. So I will go here on add caption text and check off this box, okay? So now what I can do to minimize this picture, I can do the resize from here, as you can see, and when I modify here, the size will modify here. So you can modify the size from here, okay, or from here. You can make it how big you want or how small you want. Okay, and the height, if I want to increase the height, as you can see, from here or from here. Yes, if you want much more than 100%, but usually it's better to be 100%. So I will let the image like it was before, something like this. Okay, and now I would like to insert another image near this image. Okay, I want here to have 3 images one by one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How can I do that? This is the beautiful part of Thrive Architect. It lets you arrange your page however you want. You have free will on your blocks on the page, and you can use it however you want. So if I want to insert another picture here, I go here on the add element, select another image and drag it next to this one. As you can see, I can put it below image, on the left of the image, on the right of the image, okay, or above the image. I want to insert it here on the right of the image. So as you can see, I have the image here, and automatically this image is smaller. It was made smaller because it have to let a place for the second image. So for the second image, I will do the same process like this. I will go on the peak resize, yes, go here and drag and drop another file. I will drag and drop this file now, this picture, and follow the steps. Continue to edit picture, okay. I will select here 25% smaller, it's okay. Select JPEG, and I'm done resize my pictures. Please stick with me to the end of the video because I will show you something great on the end, how you can use this Thrive Architect on multiple ways, and you will learn very useful information about how to create web pages with Thrive Architect. Okay, so now I have this picture resized. I will go here, save to disk again, delete this part, save it, and now go to compress image, and I will clear queue and upload a new file. So I will upload this file, open, and now I have 6% optimized. Let me see if I can optimize more. It's okay, because if you have below 100, it's better. If you have below 50 here, 50k, it's ideal. Okay, so in my case with 90 quality, I have 47k, which is great. I don't need to decrease the quality much more. I will let it like this and apply. It's applied already. Download, okay, and rename it here and save it, replace it, and now I will go on my page, insert image, upload files, select files, and I will delete this PNG and select this JPEG from here. Again, as I said before, you have to fill in these blank boxes with your focus keyword. Okay. So I will insert into post, and the uncheck this box with add caption text. So as you can see now, I have two pictures. I want another picture here inserted in the right. Okay, so I have three pictures on a line. I will repeat the process. Go on image, insert it here on the right of the image, and now I have to select the third picture and resize it like I done before. Okay, I will select this image, open, continue to edit picture, yes, and now select a new size, 25%, it's okay, JPEG here, better, it's okay, I'm done, resize my picture, 63 kilobytes, new, it's okay, save to disk. So let me delete this and rename it, save, it's okay. Let's go on the compress, clear, upload files. I will select my file from here. Okay, this is the correct one, open. And now let's check, it's 60. I can decrease on 80. It's okay, like that, on 80. Now I have 48K, it's ideal, and I will apply here. So now I can download the picture from here, rename it like this, save it, replace it, and now I have to upload on my WordPress, delete this PNG and upload this new version. Of course we fill in here never forget this, okay, to fill out this alt text, title, caption and description with your focus keyword on the page. Okay, insert into post. So as you can see here, let's add caption text. Okay, I have three pictures on a line. I want to show you another option of Thrive. I want the visitor, when it arrives on my page, to make it bigger when it clicks on the page, so he can see the message better. Okay, how can I do that? So when I will click on the picture, this will be bigger. Okay, so the message can be read very clearly. Okay, what I can do this, how can I do this? I will click this here, this image, and now you can find here an option, open full size image on click. Okay, on main options, if I check this on every image, this option will be enabled. So let me show you how it's this page in a preview mode. Okay, so now I will save the work and I will preview it. Okay, from here save and preview, or from here preview. Okay, let's preview from here. As you can see, I have these three pictures on my line, so every time I go on one of them I have this plus sign, okay, which I can use to make the picture bigger. So if I click here, the picture is bigger, okay? It allows the visitor to read this text from my picture, this motivational quote, okay? Same with this one and same with this one. It's very clear, the image is okay, the quality is fine, okay? So the visitor can enjoy these motivational quotes. So now the next step I want to show you is how can I do the process to repeat these images below, to make another row on the page, another row, and so on. What can I do is to make another image element here. Okay, so I can copy this image element here and here. I have 3 image element copied. And now if I want to make the 3 image on a row, I will go here on this image, select and drag and drop next to this image here. And now the same thing with this one, the third one, select here, drag and drop with the mouse here on the right, and now I have 3 more images. And let me show you the next step. So I will insert here some images. I will pause this video to insert 3 more images so you can you don't lose time watching me repeating the same process that I showed you before, and then I will show you the next step to configure this page, okay? So I've come back after I inserted these 3 more images with motivational quotes on my blog, okay, on my page with Thrive Architect. And now I want you to see, after I save the work, how this is optimized also for tablets and for mobiles, okay? This is another cool benefit from Thrive plugins, that all the stuff you create with these services, all your pages on your website will be mobile friendly. This is awesome because from my experience I have seen that most of my visitors are entering my website from mobile devices, okay? About 75% from my visitors or even 80% of my visitors are using mobiles to access my websites. And we can see that desktops and laptops are very low use, okay? And the mobiles are very highly on demand, okay, and very used by visitors. So this page is optimized for mobiles. Here you can see on this below of the page, on bottom side of the page, you can see the desktop version. Here you can see, if I click it, the tablet version, okay, how it shows this kind of content on tablets. And here if I click on mobile, I can see the mobile it shows me how the page will show on mobile devices, okay? And this is a cool benefit from Thrive. If I want to make changes, let's say I want to change this size of the picture just for mobile, I can do this editing from here, okay? I will edit from here, the images and will be changed just for mobile. Also, this is um, available for tablets and also for desktop. So let's save the work. This is another cool advantage if you use Drive like me. Okay, so now let's preview again this page, and as you can see, every image can be maximized, okay, and can be seen in a bigger format. Okay, now I want to show you, if you want to edit these pictures. Let's say I want this picture to be um, uh, upper. Okay, I can do this on my layout and position here option, and I have here an option to move the picture upside or downside. Okay, also I can adjust here or here, however I want it. Okay, this is available also for the right side of the picture. I can adjust it from here or from here, but in this case is not available, or from here if I want to make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so as you can see, these margins and paddings are two. Here the outer margin, okay, and here the inner margin of the box. Okay, here I can adjust the size of the box, as you can see. So this is another cool advantage from this drive, because you can design your page however you want. For example, I want to make it smaller space here, and I will insert a 0 on the on this margin. So now I will save the work. Let me see how it is in mobile. It's okay, it's no problem. Good. And now I have my pictures. Okay, also if I want to insert more pictures, I will do the same process. So I will insert another picture here. Okay, and I will make 3 copies, and each one of them I will drag it here, and now I will drag this here. Okay, so I have 3 more pictures, and ideally on a page I will insert 4 rows, about 3 pictures. So I will have 12 pictures on a page, 12 pictures on the second page, 12 pictures on the third page, and so on. I don't want to fill out this page with a lot of pictures, again, as I said before, because if you have multiple media files on a page, this page will load heavily. Okay, will load very hard, and your website will be not a good experience. So it's better to have lower pictures, lower media files on a page, and not put a lot of stuff there. Okay, so this is how you can insert images in your WordPress with Drive Architect. Also, this page have needs an top bar, okay, sidebar, and footer. And how you can do this? It's going here on Add Element, going on the same or here, or you can go here on plus button. So I will go here on block, and I will select from here. Let me find content blocks. I will select from here So now I need to insert here a custom menu. Okay, how I can do that? I will go on add element and select custom menu from here, drag and drop it above columns. Okay, so now this pop-up will show what type of menu I would like to build, standard drop-down menu or simple mega menu. I will select standard drop-down menu, continue. Here I have two options, create a custom menu or use a WordPress menu. If I go here and use my main menu created on WordPress and select template, I can select from here a template for my menu. So let's say I want this one, or okay, this one, replace template, and now I have here my menu. As you can see, my menu is here. I can edit this menu however I want, but I will show you in another tutorial how to edit menu. Also, I want to have an top image here, so I will go here also and select it from these options, or more simply I can go here on block and select an area from hero. Let's say select something like let me show you something like this. I would like to create a banner here, you know, so I can create this one. Let me say, for example, I would like to create this one. Okay, so and as I said before, I have this menu here, I have this banner, I have the content on the page, but something missing. Okay, it's missing the footer area on my page. How can I insert a footer area in this page which was blank initially? As you know, I have the option here. If I go on my page and go here on these page options, you can see that I have header, I have the content, and I have the footer of the page. Okay, and I will click here on the footer of the page, and by custom it will insert my footer, which is configured for the other pages, but I want to change this, and I will go here, or I can edit the footer, but I want to change the footer. Okay, so I will go here and select another footer from these options, or I can create a new footer if I want it. Okay, so let me see. I will take this personalized footer because I've created before. Okay, so I will take it and choose it and add new footer. Okay, I will insert here name. Okay, and add new footer. And now I have this footer here, which I can edit. I can delete this banner if I want it. I can rearrange these links. Okay, or if I don't want it, I can change it from here, like I showed you before. Let me take another one. Let me take this one, insert, and now is my footer from my main page, which is this one. As you can see here, I have this footer, and now here I will have the same footer. Okay, this is fully editable. you can edit from edit footer. Here you can insert, let's say, another social media if you want, but for now it's okay. Let me save this work, and also here, as you can see, you can insert new images. Let me preview. So this is how my web page will show. Of course, this banner will be edit. Okay, this is a button here. This is my content, and this is my footer. Okay, and this is my footer menu. This is my top menu. Okay, it's nice. This is my fan page on Facebook. Here are some links, legal links, and this is my social media, okay, accounts. So that's how you can create a page with Thrive Architect